In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a top border in Microsoft Word. This is a quick way to add a professional-looking line above a heading, a paragraph, or any selected text, which can help separate sections and make your document easier to scan. Start by opening your document and selecting the text you want to work with. You can drag your mouse over a sentence or highlight an entire paragraph. Keep in mind that Word applies borders at the paragraph level, so even if you select part of a paragraph, the border will typically extend across that paragraph's full width. If you want the border on just one paragraph, make sure that's the only paragraph selected before you continue. Now, head to the Home tab at the top of the screen. On the ribbon, look for the Paragraph group. In that group, you'll see the Borders icon. It looks like a little square divided by lines. Click that icon to open the Border menu. From the drop-down, choose Top Border. The moment you click it, Word applies a line across the top of your selection. This is the fastest way to add a clean default top border using Word's current theme settings. If you want to customize how that line looks, open the same Borders menu again and select Borders and Shading at the bottom of the list. This opens a dialog box where you can fine-tune the appearance. Choose a line style that matches your document's tone, solid for a classic look, or a dotted or dashed style for something more subtle. Pick a color that contrasts well with your page but still fits your design, and set the width to make the border thinner or bolder. You'll see a preview in the dialog so you can check how your choices will look before applying them. When you're happy with the settings, click OK, and your top border will update with your selected style, color, and width. That's all there is to it. Select your text, go to the Home tab, use the Borders icon to choose Top Border, and then customize it through the Borders and Shading dialog if you want a specific look. This simple technique helps structure your document without distracting from the content, and it's a great way to highlight key information, section titles, or important notes while keeping your layout clean and consistent.